The next thing we got to see is a ground up Charlie led by Glenn Boatin and Deniko Jinam Renim. I almost make it demands be send our money in a year, Jumano, Skebi or Hawk, J, and a home croneba. So the question that we were asking is, can't we solve this amicably? Will fear, and I was say, come running him. Come on, son, I'm off with so can I say, you maybe say, see a fair fata, say the back come running in a man, actually, say the bear, it being Sibio. Yet the queer chica can so I yet when Chavez. Any black sheriff they are now warm running him for bare 4 good years until finally ruling the buyer. Na sebi asem court sana ki can we are ruling the bar itimu kikemunsem, but in this one there was a twist because some communication that were being channeled out na kwa yese the other assembly court no being when Chavez no had lost the case. But then now kind kratana ne wo mu say Black Sheriff Mum and ontua kebi ontua bibi for damages and then all that. It's also best ma for a long time now when Chavez had not been talking about this issue, but then on also echo Street is watching so with DJ Slim and then he had his fair share and I said on also to me can Nidian how and manity how it went on Nini BI Manchiche Mubai. Yes, we've had the case of an artist called Malcolm Nuna. Also he being not able to perform his songs for a long while or buy or started he was good. He was doing it big. And so the Koya Chibaka Kaki. Samukai Kaki, a dancehall artist Kaki. Yet answer was so a jai focusing on being a nurse. Later Niebehun said there was an issue between Ono and then a record label. A go back to Fameye and you get the brown until her cases no a doso a quachi Fameye and you get the brown said the Korea and to see who says baby a kuhu nanka da until previously so yes artist so get the brown as about bonting to make claims be uncertain at the now a basse na sebi the buy into the media space no yamia domine media that romantic nyebi ni a ken kindness now we as entertainment people near the adrian fa ho aka no said the etie menenso Opemsuo sebi you rather romantic nim defo bebre wo hono ma se ye call mo nchen ne e bo mo punu no ma they open a large to us na nsimbe sebi aye wo no ye buso mo no mo nso di nchemum na mayen one of them being lawyer Osei Barima. It wouldn't be the first or the second time while veiling the home say any ninkomo concerning this issue. See, God being so good and Nebna Day, the 10th of February, lawyer Osei Barima is here in the studio side. Anybody didn't come general view about the law when it comes to artists and then say be contractor almost sign case scenario see may assure said lawyer will pick on 1 or 2 of them now abi what they are chair just as we saw it in the public space now that day so it's in the news lawyer wahe you didn't communicate anymore na abi obetre bi wo ho a essence also there was a 15-year sentence reduced to a year sentence I back and forth said the no layman's view no ye the sa na bebusa lawyer na say won chichemu kaka an explanation bia or their mind lawyer ma ha ma kwaba
ye ni awo na boko de
nyame adom patcho na we
nyame adom and thanks for the other day giving me the platform to explain few things by I think our interview was one of the few ones it went a bit viral because we were not just talking about the issue but we drew other things as well.
Lawyer, thank you in the Osemi Mumika availing yourself. And then also lawyer friend me Bema with you for on Bema Bema. Lawyer that's a baby P. Just as you said, that no you didn't come kaka and then yenya hey. Men perceive the Bequa chikra na at least boom compo kaka. Na yemfa asema de buy and the first question I don't ask them, let me put it this way, yes, sir. Lawyer, contracts between artists and management or record labels or general view normally how is it drafted if we no be one that say I didn't me busa outside so obe now my background kaka say be if we who the reason why I'm asking you about artists management and record labels signing or contract being drafted.
All right, so for the purpose of this discussion I'll restrict it to just the music aspect. Currently I work as a director for New Nation Music. It's a talent development. And I also serve as a lawyer for Amrado Bena, Mandem Yopik, Kempaluta, Fameye, and then I do some bit of work for EV Digital, Kwame Bar. And on that record label we have Ochame Kwame, Episode, Sister Fia. So when it comes to artist management contracts are because of these works that I've done for these artists. No, I've done a bit of few, and recently we signed one super excellent boy, Kwesi Fusion.
Yeah,
he's also under training, which for now, no, yeah, training into a level and sana, yeah, releasing. No. So I have worked with a record label, and that's what we do. That's nice,
yes. Lawyer. To the question, how is a contract drafted between the artist management or record label?
Is we have kind of say a kitchen question, will be some a buffet question. So a battle of interest between two individuals. The investor has seen somebody who he feels that adebi woni pakronuma so de nisika rani mo obetimi aboa amano enya some bit of return from the oil no ana artist no so who say enkwan bi opanyin bi ho a so ko no de nsa gu na tie boss godfather director obetimi aboa na ma ono so atimi on ethnic talent. I always say the music industry is one of the riskiest businesses that you can ever enter into, and the reason being that so when you're careful, it's similar to mining. I also have a background in mine, so it's similar to say what they usike kwako reform, what they usike kwako to good. You can pump in $1 million and get nothing in return as well. And so what it therefore means is that say what they usika a rabi bima one fa krata to ho na say a brand so na sa then pekia, then the person can just walk away. Now the question that you've asked also brings us to another angle of music. Music na age na nema means also. Age na money, the talent, and a strategy. The talent itself is about 30%.
Wow.
Money nebe kahwa na 50, but the strategy and the money 100%. And so say offer music na nkasa no when you be a mana a bit of direction. The money alone is never enough when it comes to way. Now coming to what we look at for when we are signing contracts, no, the first thing that we look out for is capacity. Capacity is a me sign on and man up my whole cross me sign. And a nipa na will sign on. Does the law give you that capacity to even sign the person? Ghana Mremonos are currently 16 years want me enter into a legal contract.
16 of say we all music talent be are good.
So 16 the crowd here parental guidance and as somebody in control of the kid. And now 18 there, then he doesn't really need anybody. And then beyond that, no, the contracts that I've done, most people when they are coming to you now, and you're not neighbor. Or Killer Boys be a bear 15 or Godfather be a baby or no. Aye, Jumana check a cry, what Tom Pabuaman, what to should be a man, or then a co studio be a Udinachi. And you will be a new beer. So either of the contracts will determine how we are doing it. For fresh contracts, so you are picking the kid up, grooming the person into the next level. Any collaboration. When New Nation was coming to sign Amrado Benano, that time no Ezi Munche. Ezi Somo Mike Bennis. What we did is that it was a collaboration. The old management and then the new management combined. And Omodi Ejmanukoi. Any old Bakubiso Swa, and only say Obi old management or free or crab joining new management. A similar one is Strongman. Strongman was under Mike Bennis. Ofi Wakosakno, he was under an old management. And Ofi old management, no. Echo an entirely new one. So each of them defines how I see a year contract, no. But the most important one, a term of the agreement. Nipana will sign no. Will sign for how long? Kubia and no, you say mostly I recommend 5-year contract. Because first 2-3 years, no, a purely reinvestment. You are pumping in the money to the person, trying to get all the necessary stakeholders to help stakeholders the Biane Wankasa. And then we have other things that you do to project the way artists. And then beyond that, no, sorry, even to me say, I'm signing you for 5 years, but for the first 2 years, no. Ye try a pikia and sana ye the trainers also no atwaso. If you must to me and say we have a project fund that we are using 500,000 cedis. So 500 no, I want to first use 300,000 cedis to project into the business. So train no we are na say me hu bibia na me the 200 na aka no aso echi. So the contract you know you have a fixed term contract and you will the continuous one And then beyond the term of the contract, then roles and responsibilities. Now, modern contracts, I expanded the roles. We have the artist as one leg. You manager na kasa road manager na udinachi. Edina kwa pay interview sabreno. Your financiers and investors. And then I'm saying the another angle account your production.
Okay.
The bobo beat.
Okay.
If social media influencer ni nyina comes
Studio
back studio mo be konya de obi obedi wachi aya ade ni nyina no. Ni nyina ka ho as part of the things that we do of late. And then the rules must be very clear.
Okay.
And the contract they all sign all chorona one fan new man chishemu ya. A problem back.
Okay.
You're defining rules, then we come to the revenue splitting. I want to assembly banner. Because I say one of these discussions that I went to, the big problem that they wanted to ask, and they say, oh, sign a contractor, what is the best that you can bargain for where your artists are?
Yeah.
I want to understand what you also think about it. What do you think should be the reasonable percentage?
It's taking me back to a question Anka Mebusa on said you gave a percentage of what an artist is worth when it comes to contract signing.
Yes.
Talent, said the artist never on the talent.
Yes.
So I wanted to ask, in contract signing, me as an artist now, who as a management or a label, who was seeking to do if I'm not there, your money won't be doing anything. Yes. And I'm a in the interest whose interest should be at the highest? Is it the artist who craft and I said the management now no be invested in sika upon for itself and the artist?
A 50-50 question.
Okay.
The reason is that talent has never been enough. Talent there are people who are extremely gifted with talent, but beyond the talent, no man to me and friend baby.
Well, talent is never enough.
So, what it means, they say, Nyankopon wa aduma chede ode mo bia, ba aduma chede no nko ano, untimi mfa emobra. So what I always say, they say, it is a won tools a woton, wo de any tools na wakote aba no. Me as an investor no, I have to then find out how I meet me market ya branding tools no. Said the be Ghana market nko na ebeko. Idibeko Cote d'Ivoire, idibeko South Africa, na etimi kwa de European market no. So the bigger picture in terms of investment, investor now the nisiki remono. Sebi, so called the nisika no koto fixed deposit cry and could be home returns in terms of the fixed percentage.
Yeah.
But odibe rauma highly risky, no profit assurance. Obetimi disika I've drafted contracts where we spent over 600,000 cedis on talent but got nothing.
Wow.
And no free work the next mover all my country artists and say me disike realm am peke into the first can be mame same way and I say a home kwan ne ben as or say bia no ma me ka say and me na me kwa koto no but Debbie your talent was good. Like I said, the talent is about 30% of the music industry. Beyond the 30%, then comes the 20%, which is the money now me di realm. It makes it 50. And then after the 50 the strategy ne say why any business development person make a now with what we do at New Nation, before we bring any artist out, we define the niche area for the artist. We define what is your brand positioning, what is your brand promise. See a kata any say any bodia, is it your sound, is it your talent be a woman or a fast person out to me? Amado, a typical example of Amado. When Amado got signed into New Nation, we realized Akwane that time he was a hardcore rapper. And beyond he being a hardcore rapper and also now our storytelling ability. So then the business development aspect came in to say, okay, every week be news. And that was one of the breakthroughs for him, even though he didn't have a monster hit. It was a management. It was a management decision because management realized that he was a good rapper. He knew what he wanted to do, and also was our storytelling ability. So then that is part of the management. Management corona and Rebecca say that sometimes game number is slow to could be few be. It be also about main what is it that with you what is the strategy? What is the end product? Is he adding anything to you, or is just being a distraction? And so it is a whole new. If
Amado is to leave New Nation, Nase sa 7 or person koye no baby fufra since a year management and a draft is hard in the man no regardless in the contract no a woman say when more party ways are any ABA management introducing man in the piano it sticks with management so baby yeah management can take him on say our concept any developing man one adult talent but any developing man so if you are no longer working with us now it's either you come to us near man and say you have no jurisdiction to use it bill.
So I always say the terms of the contract that we signed.
Okay.
The question that you just asked, it brings us back to intellectual property.
Okay.
Under the intellectual property law, no, anybody that contributes to making something owns part of it.
Has a share in it.
Melody and the lyrics, no.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
Then you own part of the song. I say one word and be the all of it forms part of the music.
Yeah.
But at the contract side, no, you sign a contract now. A honor artists no assign interest in the music. General rule they say, "Mena me nyom media." I'm out on I yet and someone media. Name no he's under management. And before so Baba sign contract so yes yen and the contract will define say okay because nyom na your the antino. Even when you leave, you can still perform it. You almost nyom na your the and so contract na ya sign say free you can't use it. A typical example is the Kwesiatha contract.
The image, no. The image now signing.
It wasn't just the image. The contract says anything that the company or the brand sponsors during the time that you are here belongs to the brand.
Okay.
Even after you leave, it still remains with the brand.
Okay.
Nancy Asako de Bekase Akwabuane Strongman free the brand no. He still continues to pay them. Until Moka because Father Christmas are all chicha deal. Because both of them contributed to making Strongman umbrella transformer. And the contract that they signed means even when you leave, revenue be a beba on song that you contributed no. Also part now. So talent brings people to the room, but the contract will determine who controls whatever is in the room. That is why mostly before we sign any contract, you had the man we are say Kofi about 3 days go kaimu pelo you know on king kaimu mau before say because it's a very funny story. When Amado came to my office to sign the contract, on no because Charlie Watana in fact, and then near Brussels or per se, the other contract man our trip and be signed as go back, take 3 days, read through the contract, and then my man he came on Monday, Friday now. You have sign a contract because when you're careful, he would then say, as at the time I was sign a contract, no, na be a who be on the moon, should be on the moon, but no crowd and said any defense because unless you are saying say on table for for contract, I on side the team so. But once you sign the contract, so it's all part of the things that you have to critically look at before you conclude a contract. But the end of the day, in Yame Power, these contracts that we sign, post termination, yes, sign contract no. I say no. Yes, I do. Ultra case was sorry them. Baby, you not tired crying cry now when your blood pressure.
Yeah.
And so me, anytime I'm starting something, I also take a critical look at the end.
Okay.
See, if I say a contract now, what are the things I will say is and sign a jai?
Yeah.
Every contract has defined terms. Nancy, I had a very lengthy discussion with one of the excellent music writers. He signed to a label. According to what he signed, it was a 40-60. 40 for him and then 60 for his boss. But boss knows when they say, what years he can bear 4 years. Yeah. They're in the 5th year, final year of their contract. And so Afena I started a PK. It is a Okobo should be an about 20,000, 30,000. Aquanaji are not their share. They are not to one say Onyante neka. Conversation about revenue splitting doesn't even come in. So what I say?
Yeah.
Contract is what I say. It doesn't really matter whether say you best split it, you best take So for me, anytime I'm definitely I ask our boss a record label and say, when do you want revenue split to start?
Yeah.
Open say say a investment that will make it. You take any years and you chase can.
Yeah.
All the contract that I signed, mostly for the first 2 years, we just plow it back in because we cash ne ba yen something room ni pija no to a level first have to build and as yen dwam wo and as
lawyer o mrene court here mbese me put a question way together na o my home wire ye fa the case of Wayne Chavez Black Sheriff ye fa Kwesi Arthur Glenn Boateng there ye fa Kaki ye fa family ye fa almost sa cases here abeya there be I back into the media space the notion and go with it and say record labels need CC artists no I mean him say earlier when you preview of sa contract see if not ni na at least uni move back. So the question I want to ask is say Anna when it's out there say record labels ni mum na working against artists no a emotional outcry and I say a true say in those contracts now artists ne sign you know is either there were some portion there or man for or money anko or man concentrating on ready and or modi omunsa kwasha ase and I say omunim say abs me no fall out nyoma we would apply and so still now they go ahead to do it. It is a sembana record label ne de kokota and as a sympathy keke na omo painting and omo kanesa and enye generally say labels ni cc artists no with the abe bada day.
I'll flip the question.
Okay.
When yes, as I say a battle of interest.
Yeah.
Maybe the musical realm.
Yeah.
Expecting say that should be a better
yeah. Yeah.
I take my cost away. Me say record label be able to me the sikashi will be mona when to me I'm no intermediate part of the money from him. No. And I also understand the artist to a level because most of the artists say baby I will here investor no or no other form team will need baby a crowd.
Yeah.
And that time no kakrebia or the person the catch and also amaneti me survive biano. Not they are okay. But I always say human beings grow, they mature. They say why jataba or rain and mono kete ubeni or flesh and kasa moja you get it. And so mostly only obi a sign contractor. The ones that I do I am a progressive compensation.
Okay.
Progressive nature say within the first 6 months no ebema will say after say ama will say no the next ebedu 1 year no we'll sit down to talk about the revenue splitting depending on what we've made so far.
Okay.
By an am the capital so say you bet me negotiate but it won't be more than 5% of what you earn. So one year and then you do revenue you brush it for us. So we have so many ways at which you share revenue no. Revenue ne bini ye say mafa to say mafa Opemsuo say me tua oka bosumi bia me ma 1,000 cedis 1,000 no twema ka bia me bobia ye media sinyeska bia ye ososo odia and ye a portion of the contract which says that I'm giving you a base rate of 1,000 cedis okona koye adwuma no na say revenue start bar then we add a percentage of the commissions that you bring in the contract. It is more of the hybrid system.
Okay.
And it be also I mean maushi ye juma no. So kona ko ye juma na sesika ba then we split it.
Yeah,
so that in mind no a serious investment by two separate people with two separate interests. Artists for the banner they are crying out loud over spilled milk. Sometimes I sit down and I say they are just being emotional babies crying out as if say or no so the sika bia ko shame debi nipa no no the sika na be realm e peke and be peke so a similar one here Kwesi no the first contract that they signed 2017 to 2021 it was I think 70-30 or 60-40
okay
but then after 2021 we extended on that time no Kwesi ni mo mia kakra
the first contract no was 60-40
60 for Chavez,
okay.
60 for ground up, and then 40 for
Kwesi. Okay.
But then the next one now, it would be expanded, you know. Then it was a 50-50. But that time, no, of course, the more you do, you can negotiate better. A similar one happened to Last Med, Kewa. They signed, I think, a first 5-year contract. Or pumping the cash in a room, or the Nisika in a room. When the contract ended, no, a honor was on common sign renewal. No, say there be main sign renewal this year. My main continue to push the money. So do level be our pick here. Then we can sign the contract. Honor co-release is a Friday night. We are quite on sign contract. Meanwhile, the investor similar one. So Kewa also say Nesika or the run when the contract ended on farmer. No, it's a business investment decision. The farmer wanka, you are flying all around. I'm picking amount. It me I get it say it's an investment, high risk. Unim se cash na de kwakuro mu nkra beba. Enti no so wo bibia also de ya fashion contract nim. Say de be ya later na se pikia nipa no mfa usika no kotena Dubai. Enche guess atwa kese na.
Lawyer, thoroughly why explain say in contract signing is always a game of interest.
Yes.
Maybe say when has there ever been a case interest here or but abam many mama and say ebia one party plays too much interest on themselves when signing a particular contract. Yenya scenario be say metiazeza wo be prama hu ba we die umia opredo do ma hodo do as we sisi nipa no yenya case study be say
say duress ebi abra me sign no na what se kind EBS me so wa mama nya the right thing kept mind and I say ebi kra me mama me papa yare maba ho se mamiska now the contract na mama say some sign o mamisika emfa hwe me mama at that time no my mental being ankasa no I need the right state of mind to access it, but I always say if you are an adult na say nya se kind to ni siuswa the court only enforces what parties have agreed. The only instances about the market the rest no undue influence. And I say that time they say when the share of our crack to in the chino ma crana sign contract. When he turns 18 and I say 16 crown because say as at the time I may sign on that I didn't even have the legal capacity. And I say my parents go and sign me if I was at that age I wouldn't have signed the contract, and clearly they would the court would take a look at those things and then delve so much into it. Lawyer,
my member case in night chairman what the outcome would have been. Black Sheriff any empire time and on ne when Chavez were no in a year ne it say there was a time Black Sheriff call Nigeria any Benaboy could shoot someone two no e mu hona per the Chavez kind no Black Sheriff call by and now be catch and say omoko no ne boy ba kwa na ko sign contract be with empire na as we him and 3 months no maybe say as at that time Senka Chavez say wako say we could shoot music video na ba Oba na all the contracts na ba fine one accept say it was a mistake now they bring me into taking it on. I want to know Senka Chavez taking it on and Kadien and Kubiti Mayama Black Sheriff in this case was because he was the manager and almost one the contractor not in the management but no knew when he was signing.
You see every contract has a buyout clause. Okay. Contracts we are sign be and the buyout clause say is a football player say Mandem your pay, I'm not the Ben, Quest Fusion, all these contracts. Yeah, and say, so what Chinebino Empire Basso Babefawa, we have about 1 million or 5 million or 500,000 cities on you. So, Mitimutia or Movanko.
Yeah.
So, Muntimutia, you are still under contract. And it depends on the terms of the contract. Most of the contracts is that, say, oh, me record labeler, only any third party. Record label be dealing without one notice to me and my written consent. And just no contract then you cannot out of your own volition leave. Now it comes back to the next question. I say equity helps the vigilant, not the indolent. What it means, and they say so as I say no BC so die. No shame and the easy for you can't say Masas may try whenever you never see them. Immediately immediately become aware you need to take action. And I don't really know the content and content and what Black Sheriff contract. If indeed there was a non-circumvention clause, I just say once I want me hono,
I think Chavez spoke to that. Say na on not discuss. I think they
you see
I'm saying on say yeah this distribution so there. Yes, multi-year contract na distribution side na there.
Yes.
Only management na sign but on handle distribution.
Yes.
Chavez made mention say on any di home komo a omu nyina yese se omu nya obi a obeje ne nyom na distribute a na nipa kwesika o de beba na eguda they would all invite him on board no abesign
no e was say what contract him say as at the time I sign contract there's no distribution company to distribute our music across the digital platforms however if so I always say will be to about kasa. I mean, a party of interest will be $100,000 national will be the 1 million banner say BB and Cheremy. Say you get it. So like I said, it all boils down to one who is drafting your contract. Does the person have the capacity to even know the extent of the actions? And sana, share the way forward.
Intinanka of fire the uncle beating me home.
Exactly. Inti adianka contract no ache musadia, then clearly they could have gone ahead to seek that. But I feel that Chavez could have acted a bit faster. Immediately Sherry Kache and I also taking action rather than leave it out for a level and answer. Also, some day a buffer for an ekanko and now I didn't know what you saw an ekanko.
Okay, lawyer, Medasi and area mra when yama any the all explanation you've given us. Yeah, can you know what is that one thing you'd want to say, especially to artists, especially when it comes to contract signing? Meaning, as you said, you work with a record label and some you, but Mr. Yamfen you as a lawyer in your capacity na make say to artists be either upcoming, either mainstream for when it comes to contract signing. There's some now
I would always say a jumana odon washimono. Ibiwa nyini ya befa long time. Lumba nyumbiwa after 20 years. Afeni ya hopo na a home revenue scratch startable. So don't really be in a rush to sign Dragonian contracts. Dragonian contract nature say adia aize wo obosi an yinya ko but ope kakrebia so kacho na would onsa ko shema. I mean I maintain say DBI mamre nikai ni for donin techi e mani nikai in the sense that let's sign contract no na fe the odoni push ne godfather sem no actually na aka say odo di ani mu na mra techira nipa no say obia the offer bia ba ohwe na ebebo no ne nebusua emfa woni ska de rani mu ebi so at that time one for ska ne rani mu a anka ntimi ampeke ama no. So let's always get in ana that was a contractor catch kakra lawyer na benya di no Fabra no so sound quite kakano mo obedi mu kakra but it will protect your future and then other earnings.
Okay.
Yes.
There's a baby and also the mamre nimni.
No team shima.
She should join scanner be a becone hono.
Shima. I need scan him be as well, but
Lawyer Osei Barima bedasi an area